Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly close to my heart. 5 exercises that have kept me healthy for 30 years. We're not talking about grueling gym sessions or complicated routines, but rather gentle, accessible exercises that anyone can incorporate into their day. Before we jump into these game-changing exercises, remember this is friendly advice, not a substitute for professional medical guidance. Always consult with a healthcare professional for any health concerns or before making significant changes to your health regimen. So, with that important note covered, let's get ready to explore these 5 powerful exercises that can help you feel stronger, more energetic, and healthier for years to come. Alright, let's kick things off with our very first exercise, something I call the Spine Awakening Ritual. Think of your spine as the central pillar of your body. It supports you, allows for movement, and protects your crucial nervous system. This gentle ritual promotes flexibility and helps to keep nagging back pain at bay. We're talking about slow, controlled spinal waves or gentle twists that encourage each vertebra to move. Imagine your spine like a string of pearls. You want to articulate each pearl, each segment, individually. The goal is to wake up the spine, lubricate the joints, and gently stretch the supporting muscles and ligaments. Doing this first thing in the morning can set a positive tone for your entire day. Much of the back pain seniors experience can be attributed to muscular stiffness, poor posture, or a lack of movement in the spinal joints. This ritual encourages blood flow to the area, aiding in repair and reducing inflammation. It also helps to decompress the spinal discs gently. Consistency is key here. Even 5 minutes of these gentle spinal movements daily can make a world of difference. This isn't about pushing through pain, it's about listening to your body and moving within a comfortable range. By regularly moving your spine through its intended range of motion, you're reminding your body what good alignment feels like. Better posture allows your lungs to expand more fully, improves digestion, and reduces wear and tear on your joints. Engaging in mindful movement like the Spine Awakening Ritual can have a calming effect on your nervous system. The deliberate slow pace encourages you to connect with your body and your breath, which can be a meditative experience. Start slowly, perhaps with just a few repetitions of each movement, and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable. Next up, we have what I affectionately call the magic chair routine. This incredibly simple exercise, using something as common as a chair, holds the key to strengthening your leg muscles and significantly improving your balance. The core of the magic chair routine is essentially a modified squat, often called a sit-to-stand. You start by sitting tall on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Then, using your leg muscles, you stand up and then slowly and controllably sit back down. Each time you stand, you're working your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These leg muscles are what you use for everyday activities, getting out of bed, walking, climbing stairs, even just standing up from the toilet. Strong legs provide a stable base, and the act of standing and sitting also engages your core and challenges your balance. This routine is wonderfully adaptable. If you're just starting out, you might use your hands on the armrests of the chair to help push yourself up. As you get stronger, you can progress to performing the movement without using your hands at all. The key is to maintain good form. Keep your back straight, your core engaged, and ensure your knees track over your toes. Think about the confidence boost that comes with knowing you can easily get up from any chair. I recommend incorporating the magic chair routine into your day several times if possible. The cumulative effect of these mini sessions can be quite profound. Chapter 3. The 4-7-8. Breath, your pocket tool for instant calm. Exercise number 3 is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This simple breathing technique is like a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system. You inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. The key is the ratio. The exhalation is twice as long as the inhalation, and the hold is a crucial part of the process. It helps to shift you from the fight or flight mode to the rest and digest mode. The 4-7-8 technique forces you to slow down your breath, which sends a signal to your brain that everything is okay. The extended exhalation helps to expel more carbon dioxide, and the act of consciously controlling your breath can interrupt the cycle of anxious thoughts. Many people find the 4-7-8 breath incredibly helpful for falling asleep. It can also be used during the day whenever you feel a wave of stress or anxiety coming on. Initially, holding your breath for 7 counts might feel a bit challenging, and that's perfectly normal. Think of the 4-7-8 breath as a skill you're developing. The more you practice it, the more effective it becomes. Chapter 4. Walking as Medicine, the Everyday Elixir for Heart and Soul. Our fourth exercise is perhaps the most accessible and fundamental movement known to humankind: walking. Walking is medicine, and I truly believe it. It's a low-impact activity that offers a range of benefits for cardiovascular health, fitness, and mood. For seniors, regular walking can be one of the most effective strategies for maintaining health and vitality. It strengthens your heart, lowers blood pressure, and manages weight. Walking also improves circulation and mental well-being. Spending time walking, especially outdoors, reduces stress and anxiety. You don't need special equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes. The key is to make it a consistent part of your routine. Walking isn't just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Chapter 5. The Hand-Opening Ritual. Unlocking dexterity and easing stiffness. Our fifth and final exercise focuses on a part of the body we use constantly, but often neglect until problems arise: our hands. The hand-opening ritual is designed to improve hand mobility, maintain dexterity, and reduce stiffness. Our hands are our primary tools for interacting with the world, and keeping them functional is key to maintaining independence and quality of life. The hand-opening ritual involves a series of gentle stretches and movements designed to keep the many small joints, muscles, and tendons in your hands and fingers supple and strong. The ritual can include simple movements like slowly opening your hands as wide as you can, spreading your fingers, and then gently closing them into a soft fist. You can also do finger bends, bringing each fingertip down to touch the base of that finger, or touching your thumb to each fingertip one by one. Another great one is making gentle circles with your wrists, both clockwise and counterclockwise. These aren't strenuous movements, they are about range of motion and gentle activation. You can perform this hand-opening ritual several times a day. It's about keeping your hands happy and healthy. So, there you have it. 5 simple yet incredibly powerful exercises that I truly believe have been instrumental in keeping me healthy and active for over 3 decades. From awakening your spine and strengthening your legs with the magic chair, to calming your mind with the 4-7-8 breath, embracing walking as medicine, and maintaining dexterity with the hand-opening ritual, each one plays a vital role. It really highlights the quiet power of small, consistent actions. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight, it's these daily investments in your well-being that compound over time. Start small, be patient, and celebrate every bit of progress. Thank you so much for watching, stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.